everybody, we're just off of was it Horseshoe Valley Road and what? Highway 12, Pizza Forno. One of the owners here, Todd, a good friend of mine. He's beside me, but he doesn't want to be in the camera. But anyways, we're gonna try pizza. This is supposed to be ready in what, 3 minutes? 3 minutes, people! How convenient, 24/7. So this is my first time trying this pizza. I gotta get my card out of here. Okay, I guess we're gonna go with a meat lovers. That's a good choice, right? Okay, do I do anything else? That's it? Confirm? Okay. You could even had a coupon? What's the coupon mean? Not yet? Oh, that's cool. Okay, we're tapping. We're done. Now we just wait, right, Todd? You got the family in the car waiting for pizza.
Give your receipt or email your receipt.
Okay, we're gonna send by email.
I think you missed the A.
Oh, I did. It's good to have a pizza buddy here beside you. It says your meat lover's pizza is on its way. Hold on.
Can I hear it cooking?
So, and then it's gonna just shoot through this slot? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm excited for pizza. Pizza ready in 3 minutes. Already here. I already ordered it, so let's go back in time here, but it's ready to come out. Pizza! Oh, holy, that was fast. From there to there, pizza. So there it is. Collect your pizza. And there you have it, everyone. Is that like, is that technically called like a personal size, a medium size? What kind of size would you say that is?
It depends. You know, most people would call that personal size, but it's too filling for just one person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, do you cut it yourself, kind of thing?
Cut it right here.
Oh, look at that. So that's a pizza to go or what? It's probably pretty hot right now. I'm thinking it's kind of hot, right?
Yeah.
Okay, when it's ready, you'll just cut it with the handy dandy knife. So there we go. Meat lovers pizza. Don't throw it hard anymore, so it's easy to eat. Cheesy, lots of meat. Softer crust if you like a softer crust. Then you enjoy this pizza. But hey, pizza on the go. That's awesome. So loving it here. Enjoy in 3 minutes. But there you have it, everyone. Pizza. If you're heading to the cottage and you feel like a pizza and it's late at night and there's nothing open, maybe you want to try this, right? That's an option. So everyone from, what's this area called? Barrie, just outside Orillia? Orillia, yeah, Orillia. Just outside Orillia. Everyone, enjoy pizza Oro-Medonte. So, live life loud, cheers, and pizza out! Thanks, Todd. And I miss Teresa. Where is Teresa? She's cooking. I don't hear you, Teresa.
Only like a Hellcat.